Hey everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to save chat history in Notebooklm. In order to do that, you have to first log in into Notebooklm. After logging in, you can see here I have already created a new notebook. Just simply create on. If you haven't created any notebook, just simply create a new one. After after clicking on that, here you can see I have already have a chat history. Make sure you have a chat history to copy. To save chat history, first of all you have to copy all the chat history in Notebooklm. I will simply click on the and just hold and scroll it down where my all chat ends. And now here I can just simply click right and copy. From here you have to take to this Google Docs where you can just simply paste all the chat history in Google Docs. Here you can see I have pasted and I have saved all the chat history, and click on share and copy link and done. So this is how you can save your chat history in Google Docs or PDF or anything you want to save. If this video found helpful, then subscribe to the channel and thanks for watching.